Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok. So for this, first of all, you just have to open your TikTok application in your mobile and then tap on the profile icon. Now if I go to my this following list, so as you can see, I'm following some of people here. So to clear all of them out, then we need the help from TikTok themselves. Now you have to tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and then tap on this settings and privacy. When you are here, you just have to scroll down until you see this support and you have to tap on this report a problem. When you are on this page, you have to scroll down a little bit until you see this account and profile. Tap on it and now you have to tap on this editing profile and now you have to select this last option others and now you have to tap on this no and tap on this need more help. When you come here you need to write something like this: please help me to unfollow everyone on my TikTok account, just something like that basically, and then tap on this submit. And what will happen now, you need to actually wait for TikTok to see this report and hopefully they will help you to unfollow everyone on TikTok. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.